Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the laptop so fixes work. Close background apps and heavy tabs. Once done, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor to stop high CPU processes. Update your browser to the latest build and disable extensions that inject scripts. Check your network. Move closer to the router, switch to 5 GHz, or plug in Ethernet. Finally, lower the YouTube playback resolution to 720p or 480p, so buffering clears faster while you continue with the next steps. Now tackle middle steps that actually fix lag. Clear the browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser so stale files won't slow decoding. Next, toggle hardware acceleration in browser settings. Some GPUs cause stutter, and toggling tells you which works best. Run a speed test. Note latency and download stability rather than peak Mbps. If wireless jitter is high, reboot the router and try a different channel. Make sure power settings are set to performance rather than power saver. Finish by updating drivers and confirming system settings. Install the latest GPU and network drivers, update your OS, and reboot so changes apply. If problems persist, try YouTube in a different browser or the dedicated app to isolate browser versus system issues. For a final check, boot in safe mode or create a new user profile to test a clean environment. If lag remains, one key troubleshooting tip: run a resource monitor during playback and note spikes. Those spikes point to the offending process or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.